Welcome to Team Lindy. We are in a mission to make 1 million in 3 months. In today's video, I'm going to show you full registration. You go to App Store or Google Play and type Trust Wallet, and then the wallet address will show, and then you just download it. And then after downloading it, you do create your crypto wallet. And then sometimes Trust Wallet will ask you to create a PIN. You will create that PIN if you get that option. And then the next page is very important for you guys to keep these 12 words. The network that you select is Polygon if it asks you. So these words, guys, are very important. If someone get hold of these words, they will actually import your wallet and take your funds. So do not share this with anyone. After creating that, you see your coins as well, and then you need to buy MATIC. I do have a video that will show you how to buy. And then after buying MATIC, you need to convert your MATIC. You can convert 75% of your MATIC into DAI, because you only need MATIC for fees, but you need DAI just to register. The next thing that you do have to go to the app, which is at the bottom. It is browser. At the top, you will see a referral link, which I'll put in this video, or if you are on a website, you will see it there. And then after it will open the site, and then it will already link to my referral link. If you do not see the referral link, you can just say I do have an upliner and add the code. And then you do need to select the wallet that you are going to use. If it's Trust Wallet, you select Trust Wallet, and then you would click sign up. After clicking sign up, it connects to your Trust Wallet and then start registering you. You are registered successfully. There at the top is your ID, and then where it says my link, you will click. And then as you see, there is activation on classic preview. So you are upgrading now. So you upgrade level 1. When you join, you do not upgrade any level. So you can upgrade to even level 5. After registering, you will see a referral link under my links. You copy that and send us an email, or you can go to our Telegram group so that we can add you to the list, and then we can communicate with you better and share strategies that we have. Thank you so much for watching.